Welcome to the exciting world of 1,000 Vlogs. We saw and check out a Filipino rally in Melbourne CBD, specifically in front State Library of Victoria. Apparently, this is an anti-Sara Duterte rally by Anakbayan and other leftist groups since the Vice President is in Melbourne, Australia at that time too. Kindly reminder that 1,000 Vlogs is not a political vlog site and we are more on human interest topic. Thank you very much and hope you enjoy this special vlog edition.
Good afternoon, everyone. My name is JD and I'm a member of the Advanced League of People's Artists. And today I will be singing an original from Alpa, and this is about being a migrant and not, even though that we want to live in our country, we can't really because of what is happening now, because the politicians is just stealing our money. Sara Duterte is here using the taxpayers' money, and she's actually not here for the people. You know, she's not here for diplomacy, but to gather support for her father, Rodrigo Duterte, a man currently detained by the International Criminal Court in The Hague, Netherlands. So, yep, let's do the song. I will be singing the original first, and then I will be doing another song. Dongdong ay si Dong Ilay, insali dumaay. Dongdong ay si Dong Ilay, Dongdong ay si Dong Ilay, insali dumaay. Dongdong ay si Dong Ilay. Wala na bang pag-asang tulad kong manggagawa? Mamuhay ng disente sa sarili kong bansa. Kahit labis ang gawa, gutom pa rin ang sikmura. Dugo't pawis ang puhunan, barya lang ang napapala. Saan ka tutungo kung di ka hahakbang? Saan pa tutungo kung gapos ay di ka kalagan? Aya, salidumay, aya, salidumay, aya, salidumay, aya. Sistemang mapang-api, mga pangarap di na makamit, nang dahil sa patuloy na pagnanakaw. Sa pera sila'y nasisilaw, inuna kanilang sarili, hindi na nagsilbi. Saan Saan ka tutungo kung di ka hahakbang? Saan pa tutungo kung gapos ay di ka kalagan? Ngunit ano nga ba sa bayan ng tanong? Pagkakaisang alam kong solusyon, babangon muli ang ating nasyon. Aya, salidumay, aya, salidumay, aya, salidumay, aya. This next song is called Slave Mill by Damon Marley. What you want and what you will, working for your dollar bill. Sad to see the old slave mill is grinding slow but grinding still, and walking home a child gets killed. Police free to shoot at will. Sad to see the old slave mill is grinding slow but grinding still, and 9 to 5 you know the drill. Weekends are a short-lived thrill. Sad to see the old slave mill is grinding slow but grinding still, and cop run it over till it spill. Taken till they've had the feel. Sad to see the old slave mill is grinding slow but grinding still. Some of us think we're too big, cause the system gives us jobs, even though it's just a low-paying gig. Some of us will boast and brag, and those of us who think we're small, just because we don't have much, that's really not the case at all. There's riches that the flesh can touch. Some of us won't respect names, some of us won't respect laws, some of us won't respect life, even though we worship God. And some of us won't let go faith, no matter what the price may cost. Some of us won't practice hate, because we still believe in love. Oh, what you want and what you will, working for your dollar bill. Sad to see the old slave mill is grinding slow but grinding still, and walking home a child gets killed. Police free to shoot at will. Sad to see the old slave mill is grinding slow but grinding still, and grinding slow but grinding. Most of us think we're too good, just because material gain. If we were living as we should, then less of us would be in pain. Those who are misunderstood still deserve a voice to claim. The fight is healthy, meaningful, teach all of us the same. And some will say the cups are full, and give your thanks to what we've gained. Some will say they must run way too full, they merely tell you straight up and plain. Some will think outside the box, well some of us will hold our lanes, and some of us will write the facts, while some of us will chop down cane. Oh, what men want and what they will, working for a dollar bill. Sad to see the old slave mill is grinding slow but grinding still, and walking home a child gets killed. Police free to shoot at will. Hurts to see the old slave mill is grinding slow but grinding still, and 9 to 5 you know the drill. Weekends are a short-lived thrill. Sad to see the old slave mill is grinding slow but grinding still. Cop running over till it spill. Taken till they've had their fill. Sad to see the old slave mill is grinding slow but grinding still.
Kindly subscribe for more exciting vlogs.